end, I want to teach you how to make a feel-good plan. And what a feel-good plan is things that you can do to help you feel better. Now, you get a piece of paper, or this is a whiteboard, and you write 3 things that can help you feel good. And everybody has something different. So on this, exercise. Exercising actually helps release really good feelings from your brain to your body. So exercising is great. It could be for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or 20 minutes. You could do some sit-ups or some jumping jacks just to get your heart going. Get yourself feeling a little bit out of breath is totally okay. Number 2, do fun activities like dancing, like running around, like listening to happy music, listening to some jokes, or reading a joke book, or drawing something happy. And last, play with animals. If you happen to have a dog or a cat, they're the best to just snuggle with and feel good about yourself and feel good about them. And if you don't have an animal, you can look at WEBCAMS. And those are live cams of animals all around the world in their natural habitats or those that are being taken care of by others. You can see kittens, cats, puppies. It's so good, and it will help you feel good to watch those pets and those animals. So here's a great idea to help you create your own feel-good plan. All right?